Shita is not just an allergy. It is a Tridoshaja disorder where Vata and Kapha rise, Pitta gets suppressed, and the skin reacts with sudden eruptions. Shita is a type of Udarda Kotha cluster. Aggravated Vata Kapha push suppress Pitta to the skin, producing cold or pressure induced eruptions. Causes include cold exposure, cold, heavy, greasy foods, suppressed sweating, sudden temperature changes, and Vata Kapha aggravating diet and habits. These nidanas lead to the hallmark triad vata movement plus kapha mucus like heaviness plus blocked pitta heat. Here is the classical Samprapti model. Kapha increases, thickening the skin channels. Vata gets aggravated, pushing pitta upwards. Pitta gets trapped by kapha and explodes at the skin level. This leads to sudden eruptions, itching, swelling, and temperature sensitivity. Shita Pitta is not pure Pitta. It is Vata Kapha dominant reacting on Pitta. Shita Pitta shows sudden itchy wheals, red or white with swelling, coldness, or burning per Pitta, aggravated by cold and relieved by warmth and movement. Sudden flare ups after cold water bath or winter exposure are classic. These three, Shita Pitta, Udarda, and Kotha, form a spectrum. Shita Pitta shows cold induced wheals, Udarda is more Kapha dominant with raised bumps. Kotha is severe, Pitta associated with burning red eruptions. Like if pain plus burning dominate, think Kotha. If cold exposure triggers, think Shitapitta. Shitapitta eruptions are temporary, quick, and evanescent. Visarpa shows rapid spreading with fever. Kushtha lesions are slow, chronic, and discolored. This distinction helps prevent exam confusion. Treatment Langhana in Ama, Deepana Pachana to clear blocks, Vata Kapha Shamana with gentle Pitta protection, plus warmth, cold avoidance, warm baths, and light diet. External warm oil abhyanga with vata pacifying oils. Use Trikatu herbs, Shunti Pipali Vacha with Guduchi in Ama, Haridra Khanda as the anti-allergic Aragvadhadi Kashaya for kapha dominance and ghee preparations in chronic cases. Leech therapy, Jalauka Vacharana, is effective when pitta is obstructed by kapha. In Ama Shita Pitta, Langhana, Pachana, avoid heavy foods, no snigdha therapy. In Nirama Shitapitta, Ghee preparations Snehana Svedana with a mild heat, Rasayana support. For AIABGIT, remember Shitapitta aka Vata plus Kapha. Pitta gets blocked. Trigger aka cold exposure, relief aka warmth, Samprapti aka dosha push plus blockage. Haridra Khanda is a key formulation, part of Udarda Kotha group. Shitapitta teaches us the dynamic interaction of doshas at the skin level. Once you understand the Vata Kapha block over Pitta, the entire disease becomes easy.